All right, guys, this is, I guess, part 2. So I've been smoking ribs. Actually, I smoked some chicken. Chicken wings came out. Good flavor, but I overcooked them. The ribs, though, are nice and juicy, and I just re-sauced them. So they're just going on here for the sauce to cook a little bit. But those are nice and juicy and A-okay. So smoker is really awesome, by the way. Very cool. Just use some charcoal on the bottom. All right, very simple. And this thing's been going for probably, I don't know, 4 hours, 4.5 hours, something like that. For the ribs, I just got the nice bark on it, and then I wrapped them up in foil, continued cooking them in foil for a while. And like I said, I mean, just took a little taster bite and a little cook's piece, if you will. And it is really damn good. Let's see. Give you a zoom on that. Damn. Got some Kinder's, I think it's bourbon apple something. I'll tell you, the Kinder's sauces and stuff are just awesome. Really good stuff. I'm going to flip these, get the other side for just a second or two, and then we're done. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.